Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show how to make chili and beans. First, brown about 1.5 pounds of ground beef or turkey in a large pot over medium heat. Make sure to break it up as it cooks. Once it's fully browned, drain any excess fat from the pot. Then, add 1 chopped onion and 1 chopped bell pepper to the meat, cooking until they soften, which usually takes about 5 to 7 minutes. Next, it's time to build the flavor. Stir in 2 tablespoons of chili powder, 1 tablespoon of cumin, and 1 teaspoon each of garlic powder and onion powder. Cook for 1 minute until fragrant. Then, add 1 28-ounce can of crushed tomatoes and 1 6-ounce can of tomato paste. Pour in 2 cups of beef broth or water, stirring everything together well to combine. Now bring the chili mixture to a boil, then immediately reduce the heat to low. Cover the pot and let it simmer for at least 30 minutes or even longer for a richer flavor. Stir occasionally to prevent sticking. About 10 minutes before serving, stir in 2 15-ounce cans of your favorite beans, like kidney or pinto beans, that have been rinsed and drained. Season with salt and pepper to taste. Finally, it's time to serve your delicious homemade chili. Ladle it into bowls and top with your favorite garnishes. Shredded cheddar cheese, a dollop of sour cream, and some chopped green onions or fresh cilantro are classic choices. You can also add a sprinkle of hot sauce for extra kick. This hearty meal is perfect for a cozy evening. Don't forget to check the description for a fantastic book that can truly change how you think about money, as well as other exclusive deals we've put together just for you.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.